Welcome to Learning Maths with Stockton's Tutors. Today we are going to learn how to do multiplication. You might have learned the old method of doing multiplication. For example, if we had 74 multiplied by 56. Now, the old method of multiplication means now we'll take the two bottom numbers to be the multipliers, that is 5 and 6. So we start with 6, so you can also start with 5. Now, when you start with 6, you say then 6 multiplied by 4, that gives you 24. So you write 4 there and you bring the 2 up there. Then you go ahead and take the 6 right there, and then multiply again by 7. That gives you 42. Then you have to add the 2. That gives you 44. Then you go ahead and take the second multiplier, which is 5. Then you take 5, you multiply by 4. That gives you 20. Right below 5, you put the 0, and you bring up the 2. Then you take 5 multiplied by 7. That gives you 35. You add the 2, and that gives you 37. Then you add a balancing 0 on the other end, and then you add. Now you're going to get 4 and 0 to give you the 4 there, 4 plus 0 to give you a 4 there, 4 and 7 to give you a 28, that's 11. You bring 1, and that's 4. All right, now that's the old school method of multiplying. There's a new method which is much easier. Now, you might choose between the two. So I'm still going to do the same, and then you're going to tell me in the comment section which is easier. So still 74 multiplied by 56. I'm going to write it there. Now, in this case, you're going to take into account the place values. So now I'll take 6. 6 in the one is in the ones place value. So I'll just write there 6, and then I'm going to multiply with the 4 up there. It's still in the ones place value. So by 4, and that gives me 24. All right. Then I take the same 6, the multiplier. Now the 7 up here is in the tens place value. So that gives me 6 multiplied by 7 tenths, which is 70. And that gives me 420. Okay. Then I take the other multiplier, which is the 5. The 5 is in the tens place value, so I don't talk about 5. Now I'll be using 50. So 50 I multiply by the 4 up here, which is in the ones place value. That gives me 200. And then I still take the 5, which is in the tens place value, so still I have 50. Then multiply by 70, and that is going to give me 3,500. All right. Now, the other thing is now simply to arrange them, taking into account the place values of each answer we have. We have 24, 420, 200, 3,500. So I have my 24 right there. Then I have my 420 right there. Then I have my 200 right there. Then I have my 3,500. So my addition gives me 4 and a 4, and that's 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, which is 6. 6 plus 5, 11, 1, 1, and we get 4. So we get exactly the same answer. Now to you, which is the best method of working multiplication? So give me comments in the viewer section, like and comment. Thank you.